Welcome back to Kung Fu Maintenance. Today I wanted to show how to properly use these Fido pet waste bags. When you pull them from the deal, you'll tear it off and then you can open the bag this way. What I see a lot of people doing is just using the bag like this. Well, that's not very sanitary because then the stuff is not contained in the bag. The way to use these is to go ahead and put your hand inside. Now you can pick up your stuff and then unravel it over the top. Now if it's something really, you're really paranoid about it, and I don't blame you, you might double bag it. Open a second bag, put your hand inside, you know, if it's a really bad one, and then you can pick up whatever you got going on. See, contain it inside the bags. Then take your hand and unwrap it over the stuff, and then you can tie the stuff. And you can unwrap both bags and tie it. Then you can tie it closed, and it's much more sanitary both in the pet waste area and in the pet waste bag, and it's just better for everyone all around because all the stuff is contained inside, rather than if you pick it up from the outside, then it's just, you know, just worse for everybody. Anyway, something I want to show, how to properly use the Fido pet waste bags. It's a done deal. Then you'll just want to empty this in the trash can or in the pet waste receptacle.